Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. You might remember we experimented with this pipe, and I really liked this pipe because it was quiet. We experimented with that pipe, it was really loud, and it didn't give me any more performance. And now we're going to look at the original equipment for the 49cc expansion pipe and silencer. This is what is actually supposed to be on that CAG 49cc two-stroke. And that's what it looks like. Now the fitment was a little bit of an issue. We had to grind off the welds next to the flange on both holes and clean up the holes so that the pipe would bolt on. We also had to file down the flange face so that the gasket would seal. Fitment is everything on these things. Everything. You cannot buy, you shouldn't buy anything and then just put it on. Fitment is critical. You have to make sure it all fits properly as it's supposed to. Now we are going to, we forgot to grab my gloves. Let's go back into the dark. It's not actually dark in here, but let's get on our gloves. We're going to go for a test ride. We're going to see just how good it does. We turn on some gas. And the gas is flowing. Give it a little choke. A little bit of throttle. One pull. No throttle. This freaking thing is loud. Let me back up a little bit. Do you remember that other video I showed you where it was nice and quiet? I mean, it was so quiet it sounded like a 4-stroke, right? So here. What we are going to do hopefully is get a nice good test ride in. This freaking thing is loud. So, we're about quarter throttle. And it's freaking loud. Idling about 2,600. I'm going to stand up because I can. We're kind of going to go with the wind on this. Just because I like standing up on a stand-up scooter. 20 miles an hour, we're not even locked up in the converter yet. The converter locked up at about 3,000 RPM. I haven't used any electric yet. This is still only gas. Gas only. I want to save the batteries because the chrome batteries I got for this suck. In less than in about a half a mile, they're done at full throttle. So we are going to go We're going to go to about half throttle. We're going to open up just a little bit. Open up the gate back a little bit, let a little more air in. 26 miles an hour, 3600 RPM. We're still increasing the speed. We're at 27, I'm sitting down now. Still increasing the speed. I'm going to go ahead and close off the bleeder valve. So it looks like we're through. Look behind me. I got nobody behind me. It's loud. We're going to do a high-speed test run. Let's get out here. Pull over to the side. Make sure that there's nobody coming. And there is somebody coming. So we'll wait for them to pass. Comes the high-speed run. Go to full throttle on both the gas and the electric. I'm going to trim out just a little bit. Let off to about 3/4 throttle. I'm at 36 miles an hour, 4,900 RPM. I'm going to lean it out a little bit. 38 miles an hour, 5,000 RPM. 5,000, 39 miles an hour. Go back to full enrichment. That's at 5,000. Full throttle gas, full throttle electric. Top speed looks like 39. So we're going to pull over here and stop the video. So it looks like, let's get you in some shade. Top speed was 39 miles an hour. We went 1.48 miles. The maximum RPM, I believe, was 5,000. And that will do it for this test drive. Ciao.